So you have a Sceptre remote and you have an issue where one button or several buttons not working. Maybe it's the power button not working, or maybe the up or the OK, or you have several buttons on here not working. I'm going to give you several solutions to get you up and running. Take note that these are 3 easy possible fixes, but this is only going to work for like 50% of you guys. Step number 1 to try is, first thing is go ahead and make sure your TV is on. And then what I want you to do is wherever it's plugged into, like mine's in a wall outlet, what I want you to do is pull the plug just like that. Wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in. Turn your TV on, and now see if your remote is working. If it's still down, we're going to go to the next step. So for this next step, what I want you to do is grab your remote, and what I want you to do first is go ahead and pull out the batteries. After you pull out your batteries, first thing I want to do is press and hold this power button. Press and hold it for 15 seconds. Do not let go for 15 seconds, okay? After 15 seconds, go ahead and release. And now what I want you to do is spam, basically press every single button on here multiple times. Every single button on here, okay? Because what typically happens if you get any kind of like water on it, or any kind of dust gets inside, or coffee, or hand lotion, or sweat, if it causes one issue to one button, it can cause havoc on all other buttons as well, okay? So keep pressing like this. Sometimes when you go down somewhere, you might feel like one button where it doesn't like go in all the way. Maybe it's like stuck or jammed, or sometimes you may be at one button and it kind of like feels like it's only clicking down on the right side. What you have to do is just keep clicking every button to get everything all nice and loose. Every single button on here, go crazy. After you do that, give it a couple whacks like that. Insert your batteries back in. Don't put your back plate on. Just see if your TV is working or your remote is working. Now, if it's not, do the same thing again. Pull the batteries back out. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, let go. And then starting with the power button, spam every single button on here. Just go crazy, okay? Go crazy with every single button. Give it a couple whacks. Put the batteries back in, and don't put the back plate on until the remote's actually working. Turn your TV back on and then see if your remote is working properly. Now, if it's still down, try the same step. Pull the batteries back out again and press and hold this power button for 15 seconds, then let go, and then spam every single button. Try this 6, 7 times, okay? If you tried this 6 or 7 times is still not working, then the last thing I have for you is to do this, okay? What I want you to do is get a new set of AAA batteries, okay? It doesn't have to be new, it's just a different set of AAA batteries, okay? Go ahead and pop those in there and then see if your remote is working, okay? Like I said, 50% of you guys should now have a working remote. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should see a 50-50. Good luck, guys.